Puppaccino time!
And then do you want to use any of your rewards points today?
No, that's alright.
Okay. 95.5 the mountain. Alright, and then let me make sure I get you your stroller. And let me get you a pup cup too.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh, he's excited. He knows what we're here for.
Alright, it's a cute one.
Thank you.
Of course. And then those crafts are coming right up.
Ah! Ah! For my hand! Ah. You might need another before we leave. Tell him he's done with it.
Can I get a napkin, please?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's okay. He'll lick it off.
Thank you.
Ah! His tongue is gooey. Whoa! Ah! He's done. We need to go through again. He wants to go through again.
Did you rubbing his face?
No, he's trying to get comfortable. He wants to go back. He wants to go back. There's more. That was kind of a chintzy one. Oh, careful. Look. Yay! We're good boy!